So I taught my friend Jennifer for this week's Teach One Another, and I felt like it went really well. We talked about when Jesus came to visit the Nephites and how he showed his hands and his feet to show the nail imprints, and I just felt like it really went really well. It was really meaningful. We had some good questions and good discussion, and I felt like this really deepened my appreciation for Jesus coming to the Nephites, because it just showed that, like, not only did he return in, where he was at when he was crucified, but he also came to the Americas to show that he had done this sacrifice for us. So it just really shows his love that he has for us as, his brothers and sisters, because he could have just came back the 3 days later and then just been like, I'm good, like, I did my part. But then he came to America to show and give that faith that he was there for them. And I just really love that. So, yeah.